Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
This project shows the only safe way to launch a sticky note dart for fun and learning. Gather 20 sticky notes stacked, 1 6-inch straw, 2 rubber bands, and 1-inch tape. Wear eye protection every time you prepare or fire the dart. Keep all bystanders at least 6 feet away to avoid accidental impacts. Do not aim at faces, animals, or fragile objects during testing. If any part breaks, stop and replace it before continuing. Fold 1 sticky note in half lengthwise to create a narrow, rigid dart body for stability. Press firmly along the fold so the leading edge stays straight and true. Slide the folded dart into the 6-inch straw until the tip seats against the straw end firmly. Wrap the outside of the straw with 2 rubber bands spaced 0.5 apart for controlled friction. Finish with a 1-inch strip of tape around the bands to prevent them from shifting. Hold the straw with dart inserted and pull the exposed end back 3.5 inches for an initial test pull distance. Anchor your launch hand steadily and release the straw smoothly to avoid unpredictable flight paths. If range is insufficient, increase tension by adding 1 more rubber band and retest in 0.5-inch increments. Make only small adjustments between launches and never exceed 3 bands to avoid straw failure. Always conduct tuning indoors over soft surfaces or outdoors in an open, safe area with eye protection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.